Honourable Member Shri K. Soma Prasad ji. Okay. Honourable Member Dr. Narendra Jadhav ji.
Thank you. Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. I rise, sir, to wholeheartedly support this bill, the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Bill 2020. This bill, as we all know, aims at increasing the upper limit for termination from 20 weeks to 24 weeks under certain categories of women.
Dr. Jadhav, you have 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Yeah, I'll finish in 2 minutes. And removing this limit altogether in case of substantial fetal abnormalities. The bill also aims at constitution of medical boards at the state level. All these provisions, sir, particularly the one about increasing the upper limit for termination is in conformity with the medical advancements. Sir, this MTB Bill 2020 prevents a registered medical practitioner from revealing the details and the name of a woman seeking MTP, excluding a person authorized by law. Violation of this provision is being made punishable. This is a commendable provision protecting women's right to privacy. This will also be helpful for women in difficult conditions to seek safe abortion. Sir, when it comes to minors, the consent of a parent or guardian is required. The consent of a minor is not acceptable according to the law. Even under IPC, sexual intercourse with a minor, regardless of the status of consent, is considered a statutory rape. Now, according to the POCSO Act of 2012, under section 19 and 21, if a person has a knowledge of sexual offense that has been committed against a minor, he or she must report it to the police. Failure to do so is punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months or fine. In other words, a doctor would be legally bound to report it as what is legally called penetrative sexual assault. Sir, these circumstances militate against a minor girl who is seeking abortion in secrecy, and what is worse, it can lead to minors opting for unsafe abortions. With this important aspect, in my view, needs to be taken into consideration. Sir, with these remarks, I commend the bill for passing. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Member.